Welcome to video part 13, Purchasing Credit, in this series of eDocs support tutorials. eDocs allows you to manage your account through the settings area of the system. This includes purchasing credit, viewing your purchases and invoices, and optionally managing an auto top-up for your account. To purchase credit, go to the Account and Transactions option under the Settings menu, click the Add Credit button, and select the Purchase Credit option. When the credit top-up drawer opens, you'll be able to see all of the available credit pack options and the discounts available for purchasing larger bundles of credit. There is also an option to purchase a custom amount of credit. However, please be aware that there is no discount applicable to this option. By clicking the Next Step button, you'll be stepped through the purchase process, with all of your details securely managed by the Stripe payment gateway. Confirm that your credit pack selection is correct and click on the Pay Now button to complete this process. You'll see that your account balance has now updated to reflect your credit purchase, and your transaction listing showing this purchase has an action button available with an option to view invoice. This will provide you with a PDF copy of your invoice for your financial records. The Account and Transactions page will provide you with a list of all debit and credit transactions that occur on your account. Purchasing credit in advance allows for documents to be purchased by all eDocs users in your business by progressively drawing from the account balance. Should you wish to set an auto top-up on your account, go to the Actions button on the Account and Transactions page and select Saved Card Details. The Saved Card Details drawer will open where you can enter your card details to be stored in the secure Stripe payment gateway. Once you have entered and saved your card details and clicked Save Changes, return to the Actions button and select Configure Auto Top-Up. This will open the Auto Top-Up drawer, allowing you to enable the Auto Top-Up feature. From here you can nominate your low balance and top-up values and save these changes to apply on your account ongoing. When your account reaches your low balance, your account will be topped up automatically with your chosen amount. You can remove your auto top-up at any time by unticking the Enable checkbox. You can also manage your saved card details by changing or removing these from the system at any time, with a confirmation message displayed to acknowledge deletion. By clicking on the Actions button and selecting Edit Billing Emails option, you can choose to nominate 2 email addresses where billing information will be sent, in addition to the person who has processed the purchase transaction. Keep this in mind if you set an auto top-up to ensure someone in the business is aware of your credit purchase activity. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local Master Builder's office.